My name is Gabe,
My name is Faith.
and we're the owners of the Royal Lounge located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We are a his and her salon that specializes in barbering for men.
And all beauty needs for women.
The way that you can book with us is we're located on Instagram and Facebook at The Royal Lounge, Utah. You can also locate us here on Major Street in Salt Lake City next to the Salt Lake Bee Stadium.
Just look for the crown on top. But some of the services that we offer on the women's side is eyelash extensions, body waxing, body sculpting, facials, pretty much everything for your beauty needs.
And on the guy side, we offer barbering, tooth gems, professional teeth whitening, gold grills, tiny tattoos, a little bit of everything. So come check us out, come enjoy, and just come vibe with us.
Hi everyone! Just giving a big shout out to my older sister and my older brother. I'm proud of you guys and everything that you guys built and yours is beautiful shop. Come through.
I want to give a shout out to my little sister, Faith. Proud of you. I know Dad will be super proud of all your accomplishments. As your older brother, I'm very, very proud of you. And for my brother-in-law, Gabe, I'm super blessed to have you in our family, and especially someone who's a backbone for my sister, and just doing your own thing too. Super proud of both of you guys. Love you guys so much, and yeah, I can't wait to see what you guys do.
Aloha, it's Sincere Ta'o here with the Mockery Plus. I just want to give a shout out to Gabe and Faith here at the Royal Lounge for this opportunity with my business to provide non-alcoholic Pacific Islander flavored drinks. We're really excited to be here to support. They've done a great job, but I just want to say that I love you guys and thank you so much.
Congratulations on your guys' second shop. It's good seeing you guys again. It's been a while, and we love you, the Toy Lolos.
Proud of you guys, Faithy and Gabe, on this wonderful accomplishments that you guys have done here. I wish you guys all the best and success, and let's turn up, family. Love you guys. And Auntie Lisi, love you, sister. Great job, great job. Love you guys.